Hi friends, good evening. Manju here and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to explain the things on inner join, left join and right join with very simple examples. Okay, but this may apply for all the complex examples also. So first thing is we have to understand very clearly the concept of inner join and right join and left join. So what exactly the inner join is? Inner join can retrieve the data which is matching between two tables or more than two tables. Okay, so if you have some records in one table and two table, so in those two tables the whatever the matching records it can retrieve. Inner join it can retrieve the matching records and display you. Okay, so see the things here. Come to SQL developer. So I have here from table A. In table A I have records like 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can see here 1 2 3 4, and in table B I have records 1 3 4 5. Okay, these are the two tables what I created now, and I will show you how to write the inner query here. So follow me, you can see very carefully the query and logic behind that. So continue to be with me. Select a dot x comma b dot y from A. Inner join B on A dot x equals to B dot y. This is what the inner query goes like this. So I can explain you here. See the things. Select A table dot y column and comma B table and dot y column. Okay, so here A table x column and B table and y column from table A. Inner join to B table on the condition applies here on if A dot x is equal to B dot y. So this is what the condition here, on A dot x is equal to B dot y. So if you execute this one, press Ctrl Enter, so you will get the common data between two tables like what we see here. In case if it is table A, we have records 1 2 3 4, and if we have table it's having 1 3 4 5. So we are retrieving here common data. How you can retrieve common data here? Using inner join. So 1 3 4 are present in both of the table, in table A also, in table B also. So you can retrieve using inner join the common data. So I hope you understood this. So if you change here like left join, so observe the things here carefully. So in from the left table, from X table, you retrieve 1 2 3 4 all the records, and in from Y table, so from B table 1 3 4, because we don't have 2 here and we don't have 5 it's not present in table A, so it's recorded as null value. So the left join meaning is it retrieves all the records from table left table and all the matching records from right table if unmatched records from right table are displayed as null values. So this is what the thing. So if you make this one as right join, I can show you here. Okay, if you make this right join and Control Enter, execute this, so you can retrieve all the data from right table, so 1 3 4 5, and matching records from left table 1 3 4, and this what not present in right table is displayed as null value. So this is what the right join. So in right join all the records from right table are displayed, and matching values from left table also displayed, but unmatching values from left table displayed as null value. So this is what the difference here. So I hope you understood the things like inner join, left join and right join. So in inner join you retrieve the common data present in two table or more than two tables, and in left join you retrieve all the data from left table and matching values from right table, and unmatched value from right table displayed as null value, and in right join you retrieve all the records from right table and matching value from left table, but unmatched values from left table displayed as null values. So this is what the thing here I want to show you. So this is very important session for the people who were appearing for ETL testing, ETL and SQL developer, and SQL Oracle. Okay, so understand the logic here very clearly, so that you can write any complex queries on this. Okay, so if you want how to join the more than two table, you just comment me in comment box, so I can make one separate video for that. So I hope you understood this video clearly. So if you really like this video, like me, and subscribe to my channel, so that it's really I'm happy to make more videos. So we meet you in next video. Until that, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day, take care, thank you very much.